To my YouTube channel ND Maths. Today our topic is integration by part. It's also called Liet rule. Here L means logarithm function, I means inverse function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometry function, E means exponential function. Before solving example, we put function in the sequence of Liet rule. What is the Liet rule? Liet rule is that integration u into v. We'll have first function, take the integration of second, minus integration derivative of left function. U is u left here, so we take the derivative of u and again integration of this integrate function, bracket close dx. See here, leave first function, integrate second, minus integration derivative of left function. Derivative of left function, what is the left function? Our first function is a left function. So derivative of first function and integration of integrated function dx bracket close plus c. See example number 75. Our example is integration x into e raised to x dx. X is a first function, ex is a second function. What is our Liet rule? Liet rule is first we need an algebraic function, so that's why x is an algebraic function. Algebraic function is first, or e is an exponential function. Exponential function is a second function. By using rule, we'll have first function, integration of second function, minus integration derivative of left function. What is the left function? X is a left function, so that's why we take the derivative of x. अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड फंक्शन मीन्स दैट जिसका हम लोगों ने पहले इंटीग्रेशन ली है उसी का वापस से हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे ब्रैकेट क्लोज dx. See here, we know that integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Already we know that integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. So that's why integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Or we know that derivative of x is 1. We know that derivative of x is 1. That's why we write 1 in place of derivative of x. Or again integration of e raised to x is a e raised to x, that's why there is e raised to x. See here, integration of e raised to x is a e raised to x. Again see, plus c is the integration constant here. 1 into e raised to x is e raised to x. Or again its integration e raised to x. In both term there is e raised to x, that's why we take e raised to x common from both term. So we got x from first term or e raised to x from second term plus c. See example number 76. But in example number 76, we need two function for Liet rule. Or log x is the only single function. That's why we include 1 is in multiplication. That's why there is a two function log x into 1. So log x is a logarithmic function. See a logarithmic function, and 1 is a algebraic function. So sequence is correct because we need logarithmic function first, algebraic function is second. We apply our formula. We'll have first function, log x is a first function, or 1 is a second function. We'll have first function, integration of second, minus integration bracket close derivative of this first function means left function. Derivative of left function, ये जिसको हम लोगों ने लीव की है उसका अगेन डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ लेफ्ट फंक्शन, अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड फंक्शन मीन्स दैट जिसको हम लोगों ने पहले इंटीग्रेशन किए उसी का वापस से इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे ब्रैकेट क्लोज dx प्लस c. और we already know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Separately we can also write derivative of log x, d by dx of log x. We already know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. That's why derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Integration 1 is x. Integration of 1 dx is x. That's why integration of 1 is x. This x cancel. See here, we write already here x cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 is remaining there. The integration of 1 is x. See here, there are x in both term. That's why it will be common. See here, x is common from both term. Log x is remaining from first term. Or 1 is, after getting x common, 1 is remaining in place of that. See example number 77. Integration x square e raised to x. We apply Liet rule. X square is the algebraic function, c is the algebraic function, x square is the algebraic function. or e raised to x is a exponential function. Here exponential function. Sequence is correct. So we take x square is a first function or e raised to x is as a second function. So we apply our rule is that we'll have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of left function. Here x square is the left function. We take derivative of x square, again integration of integrated function means integration of second function, again dx plus c, bracket close, plus c. See here derivative of x square is 2x. We use here derivative of formula derivative of x raised to n, which is n x raised to n minus 1 means that we write power after that less it by 1. So here is power is 2, so we write 2 or 2 less by 1 means 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 which is 1, or we cannot write 1 in power. So this is power of x is 1. Integration of e raised to x is a e raised to x. Again we take this 2 outside the integration because it is cos term, means that here 2 is cos term, it is outside the integration. Integration x e raised to x. Here is also we use Liet rule, or in example of first we already taken integration of x e raised to x, so that's why we directly write here integration of e raised to x by Liet rule, x e raised to x minus e raised to x. This is the integration of x e raised to x plus c, or the c there e raised to x in both term. That's why we take e raised to x is common from both term. E raised to x is common from both term. That's why we got this step. See example number 78. See example number 78. Solve integration x into sin x dx. We write in your solution let I equal to x integration x into sin x. So first x is a algebraic function, see here, or sin x is a trigonometric function, which is second. So we give it x is a first function, sin x is a second function, or we apply the rule. We'll have first function take the integration of second minus integration of left function. So what is the left function here? X is a left function, so that's why we take its derivative, and again integration of sin x, which is a further we again take the integration of sin x here, means that जो सेकेंड को हम लोगों ने इंटीग्रेशन लिए उसी का ही वापस से हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन लेंगे प्लस सी, और वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट derivative of x is 1, derivative of x is 1 and integration of sin x is cos x. So we again write here integration of sin x dx is minus cos x, not only cos x, it is minus cos x. So we write integration of sin x is minus cos x, or derivative of x is 1, or this minus or this minus become plus, this minus or this minus, both minus become plus integration of cos x, or we know that integration of cos x, integration cos x dx is sin x. This is our integration formula. Integration cos x is sin x. So we go to our complete solution. See 79 example number 79. Integration sec square x into x dx. So we change its sequence. We write x in first position, sec square x in second position, because we follow this rule, Liet rule. Liet rule is that we need algebraic function in first or this trigonometric function in second. So say here algebraic function is our first function, or we take trigonometric function as a second function. So by using our rule we will have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of left function. So here is x is a left function, or integration of again we take again integration of integrated function, integration of sec square x dx, bracket close, plus c. Or we already seen there, we already know that derivative of x is 1. So derivative of x is 1, or derivative of integration of sec square x is 10x. See there integration of sec square x, integration of sec square dx is 10x. So we write integration of sec square x 10x, or again integration of 10x is here, integration of 10x again we write here integration of 10x is log of sec x, log of sec x, integration of 10x is log of sec x, integration of 10x is log of sec x. Example number 81, solve integration e raised to x sin 4x dx. We write in your solution, or this is our we solve two function is in multiplication, that's why we use Liet rule. So we need trigonometric function first, exponential function later. That's why we change here sequence, because here exponential first, trigonometry function later, so we need trigonometry function first, exponential function later. So here we change its sequence like that, trigonometry function first, exponential function later. So we take trigonometry function first, it is I give it function first, or e raised to x is our function second. Or what is our rule, that we'll have first function integration of second minus integration bracket derivative of left function. The left function is here for sin raised to 4x, so that we take its derivative divide x of sin raised to 4x, or again integration of integrated function integration e raised to 4x e raised to x dx bracket close dx. So see here sin 4x is a complete function because of 4x, that's why we take again derivative of 4x. So derivative of sin 4x is cos 4x, because we know that dy dx of sin x, derivative means derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x, so that's why derivative of sin 4x is cos 4x. But again we take the derivative of 4x, which is 4, or already we know that integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. So I write here integration of e raised to x dx is e raised to x, or take for this 4 will be outside, integration cos 4x into e raised to x dx. Or again we use here Liet rule, cos 4x is a first function, e raised to x is a second function. So what is our rule? We'll have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of left function, or integration of integrated function, bracket close dx whole bracket close. Again cos 4x is a complete function, or we know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So here derivative of cos 4x is minus sin 4x, or derivative of 4x is 4. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x, or this minus become plus, or this 4 take the outside the integration because 4 is constant. Here is also 4 is constant, here we take the outside the integration. See here we multiply this outside 4 inside the bracket, 4 into cos 4x, or 4 into 4 16, and minus plus become minus. Or see this is our quotients, here, or it is I. So we replace this by this, replace this term by I, so this become minus 16i. Take minus 16i on right side, so it become 1 plus 16i equal to, or e raised to 4x is in both term, that's why we get e raised to 4x is common from both term. Sin 4x is remaining from first term, cos 4x is remaining from second term. 1i plus 16i is 17i, or take this 17 is in divide. See example number 82. Example number 82. Integration tan inverse x dx, summer 17. We write in solution. For applying Liet rule, we need two function in multiplication. That's why we take support from 1. So it means that we write 1 is in multiplication. So there are two function is in multiplication. That's why we use the Liet rule. But we need inverse first function, algebraic later function, but of second function. So tan inverse is a first function, or 1 is a algebraic function which is second function. So we'll have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of first function, and integration of second function. This is our rule. So see once again we'll have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of left function. The left function is tan inverse x, derivative of left function, and integration of integrated function means that we take again derivative of 1. We know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square x. So I write here derivative of tan inverse x. I write here derivative of tan inverse x, which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, or integration of 1 is x. So I write here integration of 1 dx is x plus c. So this is our formula. Integration of 1 is x. So x into 1 is x upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. Or this x is in front. See here 1 plus x square is in denominator, or x in numerator, Or see the derivative of 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Because derivative of 1 is 0 because it is constant. Or derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. So we arrange. See here, power of x in numerator is less by 1 in denominator. मतलब means that power of x is 1 or power of x square is 2. So power of numerator of x in numerator is less by 1. So that we use this formula. Integration fx f dash of x dx will be equal to log of fx. Means that we arrange derivative of denominator is in numerator. So derivative of 1 plus x square x. See again, derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. That's why we need 2x in denominator. So we arrange these two for arranging derivative of denominator in numerator. So we arrange multiply 2 and divide by 2 for this, or we use this formula. The answer will be log of denominator. So answer will be log of denominator, means log of 1 plus x square. See example number 83. Integration x tan inverse x dx. Integration x tan inverse x dx. Here we need algebraic function. Inverse function first. Algebraic function is later. So that's why we change its sequence. Means that we change its order. Tan inverse x is in first, x is later. Tan inverse x is the first function, x is the second function. We left first function, integration of second minus integration डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन मीन्स जो फंक्शन को लेफ्ट किया उसका हम लोग डेरिवेटिव लेंगे एंड इंडिकेशन ऑफ अगेन एक्स मीन्स इंडिकेशन ऑफ इंडिकेटर फंक्शन. दिस इज अवर रूल. ब्रैकेट क्लोज dx plus c. Already we know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square x. So we again write here derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x which is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So that's why derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, or integration of x is x square by 2. By this formula, integration of x s to n is x s to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Means that we add 1 in power of x. The power of x is 1. We add 1 in 1 which is 2. This become 2. So x square divided by 2. Take this 2 will be outside the integration. The 1 by 2 integration x square 1 plus x square. See here one thing is important here. Power of x in numerator denominator are same. So see here power of x in numerator and denominator are same, which is x square. Power of x in numerator and denominator are same, which is x square. So that's why we arrange denominator is in numerator. So for that we add and subtract 1 in numerator. So 1 plus x square minus 1 means that we add and subtract 1 in numerator and denominator. After separating denominator 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. This 1 plus x square 1 plus x square got cancel, 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx bracket closed. Because 1 plus x square 1 plus x square got cancel, we got this. Separate integration of 1 is x, integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. This is tan inverse x. See example number 84. Integration x square tan inverse x dx. We need inverse function first, algebraic function is later. So that's why we write tan inverse x in first position, x square in second position. So tan inverse x is our first function, x square is our second function. This is our rule. We have first function, integration of second minus integration bracket close derivative of tan inverse x or integration of x square. So derivative of tan inverse x already we know that 1 upon 1 plus x square, or integration of x square we know that x cube by 3 because of formula x s to n, which is x s to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Means that we add 1 in power. So here power is 2. 2 plus 1 which is 3. 2 plus 1 is which is 3. So we write x cube divided by same to same in divide. Take these 3 outside. See here integration of x square is x cube by 3. By this formula integration of x s to n which is x s to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Means that we add 1 in power divided by same to same. So here power is 2, that's why we add 1 in 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, that's why there is 3 divided by same to same power. Or we already know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square x, or again integration of x square is x cube by 3 by the same formula here. X cube into 1 is x cube, here 3 is constant, that's why it is outside the integration. But here situation is different from previous example. Here power x cube in numerator is greater than my denominator. So this is the improper fraction. We use this method for solving this. We use this method for solving this. See here 1 plus x square is divisor और x cube को हमको डिवाइड करना है 1 plus x square से. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिस there is x cube, that's why we multiply by x. So x into 1 is x, to write here x, or x into x square is x cube, there is cube. After minus x cube got cancel, we take minus x is remaining. This is the remainder, this is quotient, this is divisor. So we know that the formula term equal to quotient plus remainder divided by divisor, or equal to quotient is x. See here quotient is x, so that's why we write here x, or remainder is minus x. So remainder is minus x, so we write here minus x is in numerator, or divisor is 1 plus x square. So this whole term is replaced by x minus x upon 1 plus x square. So we replace this by x minus x upon 1 plus x square, or after integration. Or here we already know that integration of x is x square by 2, because power of x is 1, that's why we add 1 in power. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by same to same divide. But here see that 1 plus x square is there in denominator sorry, or x is in numerator. So what is the derivative of x? 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So that's why we need 2x in numerator. So that's why we divided multiplication by 2 numerator and denominator also, for adjusting derivative of 1 plus x square in numerator, as previous example. See there. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी इंटीग्रेट सेपरेट, इंटीग्रेशन को हम लोगों ने पहले सेपरेट कर लिए. आफ्टर दैट वी एडजस्ट दिस टू. तो एज वी नो दैट डेरिवेटिव 1 plus x square is 2x, because derivative of 1 is 2 or derivative of x square is 2x. So derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So that's why 2 is there. So for we add 2 and we multiply by 2 and divide by 2 for adjusting this, or we use formula there. See here 1 plus x square का derivative कितना था 2x. So if the derivative of numerator is in denominator, the answer will be log of fx. So here is 1 plus x square का derivative 2x which is in numerator. So that's why log of denominator is there. The denominator is 1 plus x square, or everything is same to same is on this side. See example number 87. So 87 partially different from previous example. Integration x sin inverse x divided by root plus x square, root 1 minus x square, sorry, we write in solution, or we rearrange it like that, because we separate root 1 minus x square with dx. We put sin inverse x to d, therefore x equal to kitna, how much, sin t. When sin inverse take on right side, so it become x equal to sin t. Differentiation, we know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square x. So derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square x, or derivative of 1 sin inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square x, or derivative of t is dt by dx. But we take dx is in left side, which is in multiplication of that dx. So our example first change like that. This x is sin t from there. Here x is sin t, or this total term 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx, total term is dt. So we write dt there. And now we use Liet rule. We use here Liet rule. We need algebraic function is first, trigonometric function. That's why we change its sequence. We write algebraic function first, trigonometric function later. So algebraic function is first function, trigonometric function is a second function. Or after that we apply previous rule, it called Liet rule. We'll have first function integration of second minus integration derivative of first function इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड फंक्शन, मतलब जिसको पहले से इंटीग्रेशन करें उसका हम लोग इंटीग्रेशन लिखेंगे. हाँ, वी नो दैट इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कॉस साइन टी इज माइनस कॉस टी, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टी इज 1 और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन टी इज माइनस कॉस टी. दिस इज इन योर फॉर्मूला लिस्ट. सी वंस अगेन, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन टी इज माइनस कॉस टी, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इज 1 और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन टी इज माइनस कॉस टी, और दिस माइनस बिकम प्लस. और अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cos t is sin t, but again we rearrange, resubstitute. We say rearrange, not resubstitute. T is sin inverse x. So in place of t, sin inverse x is there. See example number 88. Integration sin bracket log x dx. So this is composite function. So we put log x equal to d. Therefore x equal to e raised to d. This is our formula. We may take anti-log on both sides, so x equal to e raised to d here. Sorry, when we take exponential on both sides, we got x equal to e raised to d. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, or derivative of t is dt by dx. Or we take dx is in multiplication. So we 1 upon x dx is equal to how much? dt. Therefore, dx equal to x dt when x multiplication with dt. It become x dt, or value of x is e raised to d, so we use e raised to d. However, example number first become sin is sin, log x is t, or dx is e raised to d dt. Or after that we apply here Liet rule. First of all we need trigonometric function, so trigonometric function is there. Or after that we need exponential function, so exponential function is in second place. So we'll have first function, this is sin t is first function. So we write here first, e raised to d is second function, so I write here second. We'll have function, first function, integration of second function minus derivative of left function which is sin t, or integration of integrated function. Or integration of, we know that integration of e raised to d is e raised to t, because we know that integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. That's why integration of e raised to d is e raised to d. Derivative of sin t is cos t, already we know that, or integration of e raised to d is e raised to d. Again we apply here Liet rule. Liet rule. Trigonometric function is first. This is first function, or this is second function. We'll have first function, integration of second minus integration derivative of left function, or integration of integrated function. See here, integration of e raised to d is e raised to d. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Integration of e raised to is e raised to d. This minus become plus. Or after we multiply with minus, so we go to this step, or this is our I, this is our quotient, this is our I, minus is there, minus I. When we take minus I on right side, so it will become plus I, or e raised to t, e raised to t in both term, that's why e raised to t is common, sin t minus cos t plus c. Or after we substitute it, take this is 2 is in divide, or resubstitute t equal to log x. So in place of t there is log x, log x, log x. Or take this 2 is in divide. Or we know that e and log are cancelled. E log x, which is equal to x, because e log cancel exponential function or logarithm function is always each other. Or see example number 89. Example number 89 same as previous example. Integration sin log x we do in previous example. So this is same as previous example. So we'll have it here. See example number 90. Integration of tan cube x dx. We separate it tan square x into tan x, means cube right square into single. Or we know that this formula 1 plus tan square x is sec square x, or tan square x become sec square x minus 1. Tan square x become sec square x minus 1. So we write sec square x minus 1. Multiply tan x inside the bracket, tan x into sec square x, tan x into 1, this, that, are separate integration. Or we know that integration of tan x is log of sec x. We write here integration of tan x. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. Integration of tan x is log of sec x. or we use here substitution method because tan x and sec square is there, derivative and function both are there, so we put tan x equal to after differentiate with respect to x, or we know that derivative of tan x is x square x, so we can write here derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x is in our example. So derivative is in our formula list, sorry. Derivative of tan x is sec square x, or derivative of t is dt by dx, take dx is in left side. So this become tan x is t or sec square dx is dt. So write here dx dt. Or integration of t is t square by 2 because we use here formula integration of x to n, which is x to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Means that we add 1 in power, after that divide by same to same. So power of t is here 1. So we add 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 which is 2. So we got t square by 2 log of sec x. Or after resubstituting t is, see there t is tan x. So it become tan square x by 2. Thank you.